What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We are here at Savannah Harley Davidson. Got invited by my boy Mr. Daniel. He has a club here out in it's actually a riding group. They're called RIDERZ Savannah in Georgia. So he invited me. He's actually a subscriber of mine. We met up in Tennessee. He's a good friend with his boy Tupac, and we're about to head out to a little lunch. A little lunch right now. And we'll go from there. So yeah, I used to ride with this group called Llama back in the day. About a couple, I would say a couple years now. It's gonna be almost 2 years. And I've known pretty much the formation. So these guys are a riding group. They love to ride. They're not an MC. They just love to ride. So they go to a lot of events, a lot of things going on that they like to do, and they just like to put miles on the road. They said they had about 19 members. Not all here, but you know, here we go. Little cloudy weather. It was gonna rain, but it has held up a little bit, so it's not bad. Oh, you see that? Sorry guys, I haven't been posting in about almost 3 weeks. I was a little sick, not COVID. I just had a little runny nose, so I didn't feel comfortable doing videos with my runny nose and blowing my nose and all that stuff. So, you know what I mean? So I'm back at it again. We got Daytona coming up March 7th. I'll be there till the 10th. I had to cut my day 1 day short. So I'll be there from the 7th to the 10th. So hope you guys see you there. Make sure you check out my Instagram so you guys can come out and visit and do a meet and greet at Ciro 3D and at KROME WERKS. I'll be at Siouxicide Chopper as well. So make sure you stop by and say what's up. It feels good to be back to doing videos. I truly missed it. I missed the editing part, you know. I missed the riding. I didn't ride my bike for almost 3 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So it's fun to get back at it again and do our thing. One thing you gotta love about Georgia, man, they got these nice roads. Look at these pavements, very nice. Love to take these country back roads. 95 it's nice, but there's so much construction going on in 95 that it's a lot of rocks and stuff. So the back roads seem okay at this time of the year. I'm real excited for my boys up from Jersey. I'm gonna reunite with them again in Daytona. That's gonna be exciting. We're gonna do some riding. They should be arriving there March 7th, I believe, and I think they're gonna be there till about March 11th. Robert Simmons also is gonna be there as well. Very, very nice. I like this back road. I gotta record this on my thing. There's an app that I use called Relive, and you could actually record your route. Big shout out to Clockworks. The windshield is amazing. Great height. Perfect, exactly what I needed. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Palm trees. I love palm trees, man. I actually bought one for the front of my house. Looks great. All right, guys, we have arrived at the spot for lunch. I don't know exactly where we are, but every restaurant that Daniel picks is very good. So I trust him. He's given me great recommendations to places to eat before. So it's pretty good. It's somewhere around here. Let me see. Oh, he said it's like a Mexican restaurant, so should be good. All right, guys, we're gonna park the bikes and then we're off to eat. So we're here at Patron in Savannah. Definitely gonna go check out this. I could smell the food like all the way in the parking lot, like all those maduros and all that Mexican food. So we're gonna go check it out and then we'll let you know how it is. All right, guys, we're here and we got the food. What an amazing, it smells good. Look at this, this thing is sizzling. Check it out.
And you just got a 2020 challenger.
Ooh, look at that.
Yes.
What is it? What place is that?
It's the shrimp fajitas.
Shrimp fajitas. Wow. What do I got? Quesadilla borracho. We got the crew here. What's going on, guys? Thank you guys for inviting me. Appreciate it.
Yeah, hell yeah, always, man. Barber CVO.
Yes.
19, man. Best barber in town, baby.
Thank you. Look at that. Very nice. The food. Sorry. It looks very good, guys. Definitely recommend it. And what's the name of this place again?
This is Patron's Bar and Grill.
Patron Bar and Grill.
Yeah,
Make
on
sure
Ogeechee Road.
Make sure you come check it out if you're in the area, because I will definitely be back and I will definitely be getting this plate right there. What you get? What you get?
Oh, yeah.
Bless you, man. I got the mix.
Nice. All right, we're gonna do the prayers. Prayers.
All right.
Prayers, go ahead.
Heavenly Father, we thank you for this gathering. We ask you to bless the food. May it bless our minds and nourish our bodies. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Amen. Let's chow down, baby. Let's chow down.
Which country?
Very, very good, baby. Let's go. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I enjoyed the food here at Patron. What a great spot. Definitely recommend it. Like I said, I want to thank RIDERZ from Savannah for inviting me out and just for a little small ride and a quick little lunch. We got their bikes right there. I'm going to show you guys really quick. And then until the next time, I'll be back. All right? Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. See you next time. Peace.